This has to be the coolest feature I've seen in AI, because we can turn this picture into this in just a few seconds. Let's see how we do it. And we're going to jump into ChatGPT, which is the newest version that just released. What we're going to do is we're going to drag in our image, our starting image, and then we're going to add the prompt that we want. Now it's important that we add a nice prompt. So for that, I'm going to break it down. We're going to ask for the dimensions 9 by 16, so we get a portrait version. The subject, we want the person to be sitting on the edge of a skyscraper. The environment, we want it to be the nighttime cyberpunk city vibe that we get. For the lighting, we're going to specify it evening lights with a neon glow on the person, so we get that neon glow of the lights on the subject itself. That's important. For the feel, we want dark tones with a bright neon light and glows on the edges. And for the style, we were looking for hyper-realistic results. So let's press and see what we can get. And then just give it a few seconds to load, maybe a few minutes depending on the business of the model. And now we can see it's generating the results, and it's trying to incorporate all of the information from the prompt. So the more detailed you are in the prompt, the better your result will be. And here we can see the image has now fully loaded, and if we look at it into detail, we can see it's incredible how close we can get from the result. So if we compare them side by side, we can see that the result is absolutely stunning for an AI model. If you look at the subject and the glow on his hair, on his face, on its skin, it's absolutely incredible. Some changes have been made to the clothes, we can specify it in a prompt I think, but generally the overall look and feel, the environment is absolutely fantastic. So overall I think this is a fantastic result by the latest ChatGPT model. Now of course there's some flaws and some tweaks that still need to happen, but the result that you get is absolutely incredible. I really think this is going to change the way we design. So thanks a lot for watching. If you want to learn more about AI and design, make sure to drop a follow.